everyone, welcome back. If you've just downloaded PayPal or you've logged out and cannot remember how you got back in, here's exactly how to log in into PayPal on your iPhone step by step. Takes about 20 seconds. First, download the PayPal app from the App Store if you haven't. Search for PayPal in the App Store or Play Store and install it. Open the app and on the first screen you'll see two options, sign up and log in. Since you already have an PayPal account, tap login. On the next screen, enter the email address that you've used to register your PayPal account with. Then tap next and enter your password on the next screen. Tap login. If PayPal asks for a security code after this, it'll send one to your phone number or email. Then re-enter that code and you'll be fully logged in. Once you're in, you can enable Face ID so next time you open PayPal, it logs you in automatically without typing anything. Just go to your profile settings, tap security and turn on Face ID. So all you gotta do is open PayPal, tap login, enter your email and password, enter the security code if asked, and you're in. Set up Face ID right after so you do not have to type it again. Subscribe for more PayPal